Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use LCD with Arduino. For this project, I am using 16x2 LCD, breadboard and Arduino Uno. Link of the circuit diagram is given in the description box. First, I will connect LCD with Arduino using jumper wires. Once all the connections will be done, I will connect Arduino to my computer. In Arduino software, first I click on File, Example, Liquid Crystal and select Hello World. I will remove this top comment code. Header file #include liquidcrystal.h is used when we use LCD in our any project. According to our hardware, our RS pin is 7, EN pin is 9, D4 pin is 10, D5 pin is 11, D6 pin is 12 and D7 pin is 13. I want to print Tech Explorer in the first row, so I will change Hello World to Tech Explorer. In the second row of LCD, there is a timer function running. I'm removing this function and in double quotes I'm writing subscribe. Now I will upload this code. When the code is done uploading, Tech Explorer and subscribe is showing on our LCD screen. If you like this video, share with your friend and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.